Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today, we're going to fold a Power Ranger. The Ranger I'm folding is named Ryu. It's a little more complex, so I'll be using a large sheet 30 by 30 centimeters. But don't worry, you can use regular origami paper too. Let's start by folding the paper in half, both horizontally and vertically.
Fold with me, let's fly and fold so happily.
Flip it over and fold diagonally. Now flip it back, you'll naturally fold a diamond-shaped pocket, with the open side at the top. Fold each edge to the center line. And unfold. Now, tuck the folded flaps inside. Turn it over, fold to the center again.
Flip it, press it, fold with flair.
Unfold and tuck inside the same way. Next, fold just one layer down. You should see a tall diamond shape. Now, fold the sides in so they meet the horizontal crease. Then unfold. Do the same on the other side. Open the pockets with your finger and press it flat. Fold the model in half vertically, unfold, and lift the flap to press it flat. Do the same on the other side. Now flip it over and repeat the entire process. Again, fold the sides to the crease, unfold, open the pockets and squash fold. Fold in half, unfold, lift the flap and squash again. Flip it over once more. Now fold to the vertical center line, unfold, and squash fold with your finger. Tuck the flap inside. Shape it neatly. Then flip it so the inner color is visible. Watch closely, I'll turn it slowly. Now, fold the bottom corner up to the center and tuck it behind. Next, fold the lower corner, unfold, and inside, reverse, fold along that crease. Turn the model over. Push the flap in from the bottom. Form a small square and flatten. There it is. Let's work on the face. Fold along this line. And do the same on the other side. Then fold it in once more. Flip the model and fold the center flap down to the horizontal crease. Fold it down once again. Now fold along this line. Unfold. Then squash fold the flap like a shirt collar. Do the same on the other side. Next, fold both edges inward. Lift the front flap up. Then fold the edges diagonally toward the center line. Flip the model over and fold here to make a right angle. Do the same on the other side. Tuck the folds inside neatly. Now fold the arms, bring the edges down so they're level with this crease. Repeat on the other side. Tuck them inside. Then fold diagonally again and tuck in. Open the flap. Fold it back the other way. Align the edges and fold the tips. Open the flap, spread it, and squash flat. Do the same for the other hand. Fold the tips slightly to finish the hands. Now let's shape the shoulders. Open the pocket slightly and squash fold it flat. Do the same on the other side. And there we go. The upper body of Power Ranger Ryu is complete. We'll continue with the lower body of Power Ranger Ryu next time. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. Then see you next time!